Dear student, today we will see what is row reduced echelon form, which is continuation of vector spaces, which is in the module 4. What is row reduced echelon form? This is the form which reduces the given matrix in the simpler matrix form, which like upper triangular matrix and lower triangular matrix, like that, using some operations, row operations, using only row operations. That's why we name it as row reduced echelon form. What are row operations? First, if two rows Ri and Rj are interchanged, if this is a matrix, we interchange these two rows R2, R1, we denote that as R1 double with double arrow R2. R1 interchange with R2. The general form is Ri double arrow Rj. Okay. Second, if each element of Rj is multiplied by a non-zero scalar k, it is denoted by k into Rj. If we multiply this row with k with the non-zero element k, then each element is multiplied by k. If each element of Ri is added to corresponding element of k Rj, added or subtracted, if each element in the Ri, in the ith row, added or subtracted with the element the k Rj, jth row of with scalar, which is denoted by Ri plus or minus, we add and subtract, Ri plus k into Rj. These are all the operations we use in the echelon form. Next, we will see echelon form of a matrix. How the echelon form of a matrix looks like. A matrix is in row echelon form if the first non-zero element in each row called the leading entry is 1. The first non-zero element in each row called the leading entry is 1. Second, each leading entry in a column is to the right of the leading entry in the previous row. If this is the leading entry, then in the next row, the leading entry, this becomes 0. In rows with all 0 elements, if any, are below the rows having the non-zero element. Okay, we will see one example of this. Before solving problem, we will see the examples. These are all the matrix in row reduced echelon form matrix. These are all already reduced to row reduced echelon form. Therefore, the leading entry first, because the leading entry is non-zero, and below that non-zero element we make all the elements as zeros. In second row, the leading entry is 1. Below that leading entry we make that element as 0. In third row, the leading entry is 1. This is the one row reduced echelon form matrix, already reduced matrix, and this is same as leading entry is non-zero, and below that we make all the elements as zeros. And in second row, the leading entry is 1, which is in third column. Below that element, we make that element as 0. In third row, this is the leading entry. Okay. In the matrix C, the same as the leading entry non-zero, below that 0, and second, the leading entry is 1, below that 0, and the non-zero rows, the zero row lies bottom of the matrix, bottom of the non-zero row. This is 0 row lies below the non-zero row. Okay, bottom of the matrix. Okay, we will solve. Okay, in this matrix we have three non-zero rows. What is rank? Rank of this matrix A is number of non-zero rows. Number of non-zero rows. Non-zero rows in row reduced echelon form. This is non-zero rows means 1, 2, 3. Therefore, rank is 3. Rank is denoted by row of A. In this matrix, number of rank of B is 3 because there are 3 non-zero rows in this matrix. Here the rank of C is number of non-zero rows. We have only two non-zero rows in the matrix C. The last matrix is zero matrix. Therefore, 1, 2. Therefore, the rank is number of non-zero rows here is 2, which is equal to row of C is rank is denoted by row of that matrix. Okay, now we will solve this problem using echelon form. What is problem? Apply row operation to make A to U. U means upper triangular matrix. Therefore, upper triangular matrix means which is nothing but row reduced echelon form. We make A to U. Then the matrix given matrix is like this: 1, 3, 5, 2, 3, 2, 9, 1, 4, 6, 1, 5. Therefore, by observing in first row, this is leading entry is non-zero. Okay, as well as this is 1. Therefore, no change in the first row. We make below the non-zero element, we make these elements as 0. To make these elements 0, we use operation R2 dash for R2, making R2 dash, which is R2 minus 3 into R1. And as well as for R3 dash, R3 minus 4 into R1. 4 into R1, then these elements becomes 0. For the resultant matrix, the similar matrix which is 1, 3, 5, 2, and in second row use operations R2 dash, R2 minus 3 R1, R2 minus 3 R1. Here R2 is 3 minus 3 into 1. 3 into 1 is R2, which is equals to 0. In second element, 2 into R2 is 2 minus 3 into 3. It becomes 2 minus 9 is equal to minus 7. In third element, 9 minus R2 minus 3 into R1 is 5. 9 minus 50 gives minus 6. In fourth element, 1 R2 minus 3 into R1. 1 minus 3 into 2. 1 minus 6 gives minus 5. Oh, this becomes 0. And minus 7, minus 6, minus 5. In third row, operation is R3 minus 4 into R1. 4 into R1. 4 into R1. See, R3 is 4 minus 4 into 1. Becomes 0. And in 6, R3 is 6 and 4 into 3. 6 minus 4 into 3 gives 6 minus 12 minus 6. to 1 minus 20 gives minus 90, and R3 5 minus 4 into 2 8, 5 minus 8 gives minus 3. This is the matrix. Okay, next we make below this element we make 0. Then for the simplification purpose we make these two rows, we multiply by minus 2 rows. With the 2 rows we get the operation is R1 R2 with multiply with minus 1 and R3 with minus multiply with minus 1. Then we get 1 3 5 2. First row as is 1 3 5 2, and second row 0 minus into minus 7 use plus 7 6 5 0 7 6 5, and in third row 0 6 19 3 0 6 19 3, all are positive. Okay. To make in second row leading entry is 7. To make this one we use operation R2 minus R3. Making R for R2 dash is equal to R2 minus R3. The matrix is 1 3 5 2 0 R2 minus R3. R2 minus R3. 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6 which is equal to 1. And 6 minus 19 gives minus 30. And here 5 minus 3 gives 2. R2 minus R3. Therefore 1 minus 30 and 2. And 0 6 19. In second row the leading entry is 1. Therefore we make below that element 0. We use operation R3. We making for R3 minus R3 minus 6 into R2. To making this element 0 we use this operation, which is equals to first row as it is 1 3 5 2, and second row as it is 0 1 minus 30 2, and in third row we make use of this operation, which is R3 minus 6 R2. R3 is 6. R3 minus 6 R2. R3 is 6 minus 6 into R2 is corresponding to this element R2 is 1, which is equals to 0. And 6 R3 19 minus 6 into R2. 6 minus into minus plus 13 into R2 is 6 into 13. 6 into 13. We get 19 plus 6 into 30. We get 97. And similarly for R3 minus 6 into R2. R3 is 2 minus 6 into R2 12. We get 2 minus 6 into R2. 2 minus 6 into R2 is 2. 2 minus 12 we get minus 10. Therefore here 0, below that we make 0, and 97 here, and here minus 10. Okay. See 3 here minus 9. Therefore, we make this element 1. We divide the R3 by the third row by 97. We get in this place 1. R3 divided by 97. Therefore, 1, 3, 5, 2, 0, 1, minus 13, 2, 0 by 97 is 0, 0 by 97 is 0, 97 by 97 gives 1, minus 9 by 97. This is the upper triangular matrix. We reduce this matrix to upper triangular matrix as well as row reduced echelon form. Therefore, here this is row reduced echelon. We call this matrix as B, which is equals to B. This matrix is equal to B. Here we have 3 non-zero rows. Therefore, the rank of this matrix is rank of B, which is equals to 3. 3 non-zero rows we are having 3 non-zero rows. Therefore, the rank is 3, which is denoted by row of B, which is equals to 3. Okay.